Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm just doing a simple, quick makeup look. And so right here, I'm using my Vicks Plus. I'm using this as a primer. Then I'm using my Tarte Sea Breeze primer, and I'm putting it all over my face. I know it looks like I'm struggling. And now I'm using the Hangover Too Faced primer spray, and it's a finishing spray too. And I'm using my Too Faced foundation into color chestnut. Like, this is my favorite foundation. Like, I really like it. It's like really good. It matches my skin perfectly. And I know you guys see that I'm in a different like location where I'm filming. I'm gonna put the reason why. Like, I'm gonna put the video like up there so you can click in and see what's going on and why I'm filming in a different room and just everything that's going on. So yeah. So now I'm using a Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And y'all, recently bought this. This stuff is good. Like, I like it. Like, I was doing a bright under eye, and y'all, it worked. Like, I didn't really know how to do it. I didn't look up any videos or anything. I just did something, basically. Like, y'all, this works good. Like, I used 2 different concealers, too. Yeah. And then I didn't show it, but I used the, what is that? The Erase Concealer by Maybelline. I used that too. And that's how I got like a bright under eye. I know it looks kind of crazy right here, but at the end, I put it together. Like, it looks good. And now I'm using my Benefits eyebrow pencil. Like, y'all, I changed. I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade, but now I use that. Like, y'all, I use this. I use that now. So yeah, I really like this. And now I'm cleaning it up with my concealer. Y'all, I just use any color on my eyebrows because I'm going to cover it up anyway. I'm going to blend it out good, so whatever. So yeah, this is me cleaning up. And then I use my baking powder. It's the Laura Mercier baking powder. Put it on my eyes and everything, and I clean it up. I was trying to look for my Huda Beauty powder, but I couldn't find it, so I just went with this. And plus, this powder is good for a bright under eye anyway. Yeah, I'm using my contour. I use a lot. Like, I use the Fenty Beauty one, and I use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil powder. I use that one too. I used a lot. Now I'm contouring my nose. And y'all, this is when I get into the eyeshadow. Like, this is the Julia's palette, eyeshadow palette. So yeah, if you guys want a detailed eyeshadow tutorial, I'll do one. But right here, I don't really explain what I'm doing because I mean nobody really asked for me for an eyeshadow tutorial, so I don't really say what colors and stuff it is because yeah. But yeah. So yeah, I just did a quick little look. Like, y'all, I didn't even practice or nothing. I just winged it. I just put all this together. And it came out really good too. Like, it looks so cute. But I need to blend some more with the eyeshadows. Like, I don't use that much. Like, cause you're gonna see like at the end it kind of faded away after I spread all those sprays on my face. But yeah, I'm gonna have to keep blending some more or keep adding the eyeshadow because it kind of faded after I sprayed. So yeah. Now I'm dusting off the baking powder. Usually I use my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, but I didn't use that. I was just going to try something different today. And y'all, like, my makeup came out so flawless. Like, it was so pretty. Like, it looks so good. So I think I'm just not going to use the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. I'm just going to use it like sometimes when I need it. Or it could be the sprays I was using. Yeah, it probably was the sprays I was using. That's why it came out so good. But yeah, now I'm using my highlight. It's the Diamond Bomb from Fenty Beauty. And I'm going in with my lip liner. It's the chestnut lip liner. And I use different colors on my lips too. Like, bruh. And then the lipstick color was, it's like a nude color I got from MAC. I think it's called Honey something. It's something honey, but yeah. So yeah, go with my spray. This is Smashbox primer spray. You can use it as a finishing spray too. See, this is the new lipstick I was talking about. Oh, it's called Honey Love. Yeah, it's the color of the Honey Love. And I just bought, like, y'all, I bought a whole lot of stuff. Like, I bought a whole lot of stuff. That's why you guys are going to see new products in my videos from now on. But yeah, this location I'm at, like, y'all, like, I'm in my niece's room filming. Because, I mean, I don't have none of my lights with me right now or anything. Like, y'all. So, I don't know. It's probably going to be a while till I can get to, my beauty room. Like, my new beauty room. Because, y'all need to watch that video to find out what happened to me. Because, y'all, it's not right. But anyway, so now I'm putting on my, I think it's the Fenty Beauty, lip gloss. And then that's the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Bye.